And Matoush.
Showers and storms moving across the area today, mostly out west, but a good majority of us have seen at least a little precipitation, and we're continuing to see some stormy skies off in the distance. This is a live view outside of our Manhattan camera, and a little bit further south, our Emporia camera has seen some similar views out there, but for the most part we're seeing actually a little bit of a dwindling, if you will, in activity. Satellite and radar looping the last several hours here showing just how strong these thunderstorms were. Lots of lightning being noted, but more recently not quite as much. The showers and intensity have slowly started to die down. Nonetheless, there's still a little bit of thunder and lightning out there, and we still have a little bit of a threat for some minor flash flooding, so please be careful. Otherwise, on a more regional level here, we have our jet stream giving us a trough. It's not a super impressive trough, which is largely why we're not seeing as much severe weather. We are seeing activity from the energy of that system, but it's not quite substantial enough to bring severe weather, which is of course a good thing, but it is going to keep us in a stormy pattern for at least one more day here. Precipitation totals are a little bit more impressive out west. Fort Riley, Manhattan area seeing about a ½ inch each, 0.83 in Fort Riley. Topeka clocking in at 0.27 inches for right now. Those numbers should continue to grow, especially out west, as totals continue to add up. Highs today made their way close to 90 in Topeka and Lawrence. We should see a lot more of that heading into the weekend, specifically Sunday. I think we have a good chance to get to that big 9-0. Winds tomorrow will pick back up in the 5 to 10 mile an hour range. Out of the east, nothing too scary out there as far as wind goes. Temperatures will be in the middle to upper 60s as we kick off our Saturday. Perhaps a little bit cooler out west where they've seen the majority of those showers and rain today. Heading into the afternoon, models are keeping us in the middle 80s for the most part. I think we'll be a touch warmer than this with a little bit more sunshine optimistically in our forecast. And then Sunday, this model keeping us in the middle to upper 80s. I went ahead and went a little bit warmer than this too. I think it's just going to be quite nice this weekend despite a few rain chances. So let's talk about that. When we look outside with our future track, we're still seeing some isolated showers and storms late into the evening tonight on into 10 or 11 o'clock. Activity starts to die down. A few showers and storms out west tomorrow morning. And then as we head towards lunchtime, a little bit stronger push of energy brings back storms about 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and then 4 or 5 o'clock in the late afternoon, mostly out west again. Manhattan, Junction City, we're looking at you all the way down through Emporia. Everywhere else we'll have a chance to see some isolated showers and storms, but activity once again appears to be mostly focused out west. Things slowly calm down on Sunday morning with another isolated chance for storms by the afternoon. Tonight we will cool down into the 60s with thunderstorm activity slowly starting to wrap up, but we will still see at least a few storms out west. 87 for our Saturday high. Sunday we are in the lower 90s. It was pretty bold right there, but I think we'll get there. And then heading into next week, more isolated storm chances, Mackenzie, but I don't think it'll be quite as widespread.
Bold to put a 90?
Bold to put a 90.
All right, if I see 92 on my car thermostat or something,
You're coming for my throat.
You know I will.
All right.
No.
I can take the heat. I can take the heat.
Yeah.
Not 92 though. No, we're not there yet.
Okay. Right. I'm there yet. Mentally.
No.
We'll get there.
Let's enjoy spring while it's here.
All right. He said it. Well, KU's new men's basketball